write a Java program to implement constructor. Right. Before going to this one, first of all, I will give the definition of the constructor. A constructor in Java is a special method used to initialize the objects when they are declared. While creating the object, to initialize the object, initialization meaning is the assigning the values for the instance variables. To assign the values for the instance variables, we are using a special method. That method is called as a constructor. While writing the constructor in Java, the rule is it has the same name as the class. The class name and the constructor name must be same. And one more important point is it doesn't have any return type. While writing the any constructor, don't write the any return type. Even don't write the void also, not even void. While writing the any constructor, don't write any return type, even not including the void also. Right. This is the syntax of the constructor. Class, class name, data type variable 1, data type variable 2, and so on. These are called as the instance variables. These are called as the instance variables. Class name parameters. Observe this one here. The class name is a special method. This is called as a constructor. The constructor name and the class name must be same. While writing any constructor, the constructor name and the class name must be same. Here I am passing the parameters here. Whatever the parameters we are passing here, by using these parameters only, the variables can be initialized. These instance variables can be initialized. Variable 1 equals to value 1. The value 1 will be assigned to the variable 1. Variable 2 equals to value 2. The value 2 will be provided to the variable 2. This is the syntax of a constructor. Come to the code point of view. Here I am writing one constructor. Class. What is the class name? The class name is the student. The class name is the student. The student class contains the two parameters. The first parameter name is the first variable name is the name. The second variable name is the age. Name is a string variable. Age is the integer variable. These two are called as the instance variables. In this code, I wrote the two instance variables, name as well as the age. Come to the constructor. I am writing one constructor. What are the constructor? Constructor is a special method. The constructor name and the class name must be same. What is the class name? Student. Okay. I wrote the same name here, student. Here I am passing the two parameters, n and a here. Okay. N represents the name here. The n value is stored in the name variable. A is stored in the age variable here. A method to display the student details here. Void display. Here I wrote the display method to display the student name as well as age here. System.out.println name plus name age plus age here. Yes, we are displaying the name as well as the age here. Here public class constructor example. I gave the main class name as the constructor example. Public static void main string arguments. First of all, I am creating the two objects for this constructor for this class. Okay, for this student class I have written the student s1 equals to new student nog and 25 means the name is the nog and the age value is 25. For this student one object, the name is the nog and the age is 25. Next, student s2 equals new student chris comma 22. The student s2 object is created. This object contains the name as a Chris and the age is 22. Here, whenever there is a new keyword, it is checking that whether this constructor is available or not. Yes, the constructor is available. Whenever the constructor is available, it is passing the data here. For the first one, it is passing data as a R25. For the second one, it is passing data as a Chris 22. Where we are asking the S1 dot display. What is S1 dot display? S1 dot display is nothing but we are invoking this method name plus name. Here, what is the name here? The first student name is a Nog and the age is a 25. Next, S2 dot display. For the second student S2 object, what the display contains the name plus name, age plus age. For the second student S2 student, the name is the Chris and the age is a 22. In this way, we get the answer. The constructor is nothing but it is a special method to initialize the object whenever they are declared. While writing the constructor name and the class name must be same, and they are not having any return type here. See this one here. For the student, I am not writing any return type here. Don't write the any return type. Even don't write the void also while creating the any constructor.